Here's DaVinci Resolve version 17. I'm on the color tab and let's say adjust the shadows by dragging it to the left and to the right, and although I'm modifying that number, nothing changes on the image. So why nothing is working here? The answer is here on the nodes page. If we open that one, here's a node and it's pretty grayed out. If you click on this 0, 1 in the first part, notice, wow, now it is visible. So now if I drag these shadows to the left, it's getting darker. If I drag it to the right, it's getting brighter. Okay, you can double click on the text itself to reset it, and that is available here in color, nodes, and Ctrl+D. Maybe I press Ctrl+D and I disabled this entire node, which is like a layer, and although I modified the shadows, nothing was visible on the image because that entire node was disabled. So don't press Ctrl+D and thus you don't disable this node. You can click on the left side onto that number, you can disable it from there also. Plus if I press Ctrl+D, it's also enabling and disabling the node.